by herself. If I leave her clothes for me to wash or allow her to put it, I have washing machine, but I don't allow her to use washing machine. She washes it with her own bare hands. Recently, that Oma had gone, I know she's covering a lot of other things. I've started permitting her with washing machine. But since Oma was here doing a lot of job, I did not permit her to wash with washing machine. So she wash plates and she wash with her hand. If I allow this girl to spoil, oh my hair.
Yes, so my people, welcome to Naija Daughter TV. If today na first time of coming across my YouTube channel, do well to join this beautiful family. I need to do voiceover for this video because I dey cook when I see Lilipo drop video. Yes, welcome my sister Lilipo. I see now you drop about video of editorial. You say editorial na your friend, editorial na your colleague, editorial. You know, when person na your best friend. If you no fit tell that person, your best friend, where e for wrong, she not be your best friend. Your best friend is supposed to tell am where she or he for long wrong. And normal, we not be Jesus Christ. We are born to make a mistake. When you make that mistake, somebody when go dey close to you to tackle you, to tell you say, wetin you dey do so e not good. Now be your best friend. Because when you talk about Lizzie and editorial and piston, yes, if person stay with you, the person come dey try to prove stubborn, you no pay am. My sister number one, I wan put this question for you. If no be say piston account resolve, editorial for talk tell piston say your money dey pay me, she for not talk am. Okay, that one. Secondly, no still forget, editorial say yes, she make mistake not to pay Lizzie piston, not to pay piston, because she see this thing coming. She dream am, God reveal am to her. Why she not pay? For me, where you for say people insult her mom, me I no insult her mom. God forbid I get mom. I say as a mother, her mother dey where her daughter for the work. E just be like say you dey where your daughter for the work. You dey see some kind things. If na even your daughter na imperfect, at least for the background you go make some, you go do background water wet. That is, you go call the person, because your daughter, you know say people dey look unto your daughter. Your daughter get many big platform. I use my own as if na my mom. My mom go start to dey call that person. No worry, e get as mother, African mother, e go handle issue, that matter go die down. I no throw mouth give editorial mom. Okay, I just tell am say as far as say her mom dey the street, wetin she for do? She for not block piston. Piston can be her own daughter. Piston can be her own sister daughter. She no fit come between them, settle them, make the matter go. That as they drag her daughter, e good. Me, I drop comment for editorial comment when she dey live. I say, why you not quick pay piston? Because I wish you pay peace. Those issue for die down. Until you hear my own. For me, it should be my, if Edith na my friend, I get access to Edith, I will tell her. In fact, I will tell her the truth. Say, Edith, go and pay that money. Not let that money stain you, because initially Edith do video, I dey owe her. Okay, how much you dey owe her? Go and pay. You no gree pay. Many people dey look piston like she dey suffer. Na poor girl, na poor lady. Many people dey look her like that. But Edith agree say I dey. Why can't you bring money out and get your pics? That one I be that one. My sister, you come. You still talk about your niece when they stay with you. Say you know they allow her. They use washing machine take dey wash cloth. Now wow. Later you see say many of us will not be Jesus Christ. We are born to make a mistake. If that girl na your daughter, you go allow her as washing machine dey to use washing machine wash cloth. Let's tell ourselves the truth. If anybody dey stay with you, if you know say you be the type of person wey you no fit take your own nephew or anybody wey dey with you, ask your own. You not just get right to hold anybody, to stay, make anybody stay with you. Like, sorry say I talk this point now. Like your daughter, you see as your husband take dey vex say she don big to take care of herself. That is true. You still dey feed her because she no dey feed by herself. You dey try to encourage her. That one, I clap hand for you, and I see something with you for that. I no say na bad thing you do. If na your nephew dey do that kind thing, you sure say you go do this thing they do for your daughter, you go do am for her. Why your nephew no fit use machine take wash cloth? My people, no na dey take every child when they stay with now, like now. E no mean say e dey stay with you now, then you can't use washing machine, and then if you can't, dey spoil her. No, e no mean like that. Your daughter dey use machine take dey wash her own, because when I see that your nephew and your daughter na almost the same age, na almost the same height na dey get, you go tell me now say as you say you no wan spoil am, e no mean say you dey spoil am. If na abroad na come dey uko, you go tell me say your daughter no use machine, your nephew no use machine take wash cloth, nephew abi niece, your niece e no use machine take wash cloth. My sister, I dey put this question, I dey ask you this question. You say your video now dey talk o, you say for your video your nephew e dey use hand take dey wash cloth because you no wan spoil her. This one enter o. But washing machine dey house when you dey wash your own, wash your children own, wash other people, but because of say no be you give, as me see am, na because of say no be you give birth to her. Because if na you give birth to her, wetin be washing machine? Some people washing plate don dey now. Na your own you know today. You no know whether this your niece wey you dey take care of, when her own time go reach, she go get machine wey take dey wash plate, she go get machine wey take dey dry cloth, she go get machine wey take dey iron cloth, she go, when you dey your own parents house, una get machine to wash cloth. My sister Lily po, una get machine una take dey wash cloth. You for not just talk that part, that one for be your secret. Na wetin una bring come and na people dey talk, later una dey vex. Nobody enter your mouth now bring am come out, nobody dey enter your house bring am come out. When me dey grow up, I no get washing machine for my papa and my mama house, but today I get washing machine for my house. I go come dey take care of one small pikin, I go say no, me I no go spoil you. You no use washing machine take wash cloth. You no use washing machine take make una pardon, my son just come. You no use, they no use washing machine take wash cloth. My people, I no know how una see am o. Lily say her niece when dey stay with her niece no fit use washing machine take wash cloth, because if you use washing machine take wash cloth, you dey spoil that child. My people, and you when you dey grow up, you no get washing machine o, but today now you get washing machine. Who dey stay with you, e no mean say tomorrow she no still get this washing machine. You understand? Take anybody wey dey stay with you as one. If you know say you no fit take anybody as one, okay. Like me for Editorial, I never blast Editorial say you take care of Lizzie well. When she even dey say Lizzie dey village, the thing dey pay me, I say no, let that girl, because I know where the girl take come city and I see her change. If you maltreat her in future, you go enjoy am. If you no see maltreat her in future, you go enjoy am. Somebody stay with you today no mean say make that person no blow, or e no mean say her destiny go change. No, her destiny will never change. For me, I love make Lizzie stay with Editorial. For me, I no look Lizzie. Wetin I tell for my live stream, as far as say dey beat am, dey abuse am, dey abuse am for the house. Wetin na message? He go send a message. Me, I stay with my brother. I stay with my brother wife today. Where I dey my own with my children. Na so Lizzie go still be. You understand? If you dey take care of anybody, your nephews, your niece, take them as your own, because now today you no know tomorrow. You don't know where those children go there tomorrow. Now you get today, you don't know what all those children they take care of. You don't know to get when they will get tomorrow. How you go make video? You go say and your niece and if you use machine, and because of now when the person don't come out, now you can't, because the overload when you call the load down now, the thing you can't they say the load can't too much for her. The work can't too much for her. Now it make you can't they allow her they use machine take the wash clothes. Maybe now she go cook now she go do cleaning, now she go do every job. Maybe I dey your house, but now you're waiting come out from your man. Now they talk. Yes, me I dey Europe now. Somebody come they stay with me today. Now come say, hey, use washing machine take wash clothes because I'll say maybe you not go spoil. I beg my people, some things I know say we not be Jesus Christ, but like person like me, I not fit carry this kind of matter come outside for social media. They talk. No, I not fit try am. Oh, I not fit try am. Go put cloth for machine. The pikin go fit help you wash the cloth for machine. You fit put her own cloth for machine, wash am, sun am. If it's sun dey, they will sun am. No be say be your niece dey stay with you now when you don over dey load down with too much house choice. Now you come say make e dey. My people. This matter I say I go talk am for for Esther Family TV. Yes, I say I will talk about those Africa when they will say that they take care of person, they will call they maltreat the children. So I'm go say the name of a house help, they will go carry on that age. Make they stop am. Make una stop am. Yes, if you no fit take any children, like any small pikin like your own, no carry am near yourself. Let am dey where e dey. Yes. My sister really put, and this one me get to chook put inside. For me, I no insult Lizzie, Editorial husband. Why I go insult Editorial husband? Say he for pay, because initially Editorial still talk say for her video say when Pistom dey come, she inform her husband though this person dey call, say no be quarrel, oh no, he say no. Okay, when this issue, if na my oga I can both, my oga go don, he go settle am. He go call the girl, no worry, I will pay you, my sister. If na my oga, me dey tell you now. If na my mom go still call that piece. My mom no block am, because he know say daughter dey vex. They say two people no fit vex at the same time. When Editorial dey vex, when Editorial husband abi he still dey vex, when Editorial Mercy abi she still dey vex, elderly people dey, at least they go enter am. Editorial mom fit take peace as her daughter. He reach to born Pistom. Then if he call everybody, any children wey dey around her as her own, Editorial mom, he go call Pistom, make peace, and everything go die down. Yes, tell your friend say your mouth dey smell, so that may no go degrade herself for outside. And you, my sister Lilipo, if you something like this happen to you, no wait say you dey vex. You dey vex for who? You hold person money, you dey vex. Yes, you help am. Some people dey, when you go help, they will beat you put, but use long spoon take deal with them. No use short spoon take deal with them. Na parable be that. Some people dey, when you go help, they love to mess your name, or see am. If you fit carry your two shoe put for head, you go let people dey see am say na she or him na get the mistake. No put yourself, na you do good, na you go say you small thing take rub yourself. That one no make sense. Now my people, na this one I get to download when our Lilipo drop her video about how her niece take dey use hand take dey wash clothes. Now because we come dey help her now, don comot overload, don dey load that small girl now. No call for me, na wetin you talk for your video. Now make because dey use washing machine take dey wash cloth. I'll see you now in my next video. Lily, welcome Daughter TV. If you never subscribe. If you never watch that video for Lily platform, go and watch it. Okay, now our sister, yes. Nobody na Jesus Christ, nobody be Jesus. We are here to correct ourselves. Lily, if you see my own, correct me. Me, I want learn. Okay? Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.
Last. Now everybody go to breakfast.